Welcome to this video on how to submit assignments that you have completed in Isaac. This particular assignment is going to show you how to get just the lessons that you need to submit so that you can turn those into Blackboard. Alright, so in my example here I have Isaac open. I'm currently working on lesson 4, but what I need to submit through Blackboard is lessons 1 through 3. I don't need to submit any of lesson 4, even though I'm partially done with it, as you can see here over in my lessons. So I'm going to go to my Isaac, and here you'll see a list of all of the assignments that you completed. So as I scroll through this, it goes all the way back to Unit 1, including the entrance timed writing. I don't want the entrance timed writing, and I don't want these lesson 4 titles. So I don't need to submit those to Blackboard because they're not part of the assignment. Alright, so here's how you can basically set it so that I can submit just lessons 1 through 3, nothing else. Alright, first of all, I'm going to go to Advanced Filter, click that link, and that brings up this box. It allows you to choose exactly what you want to put in your report that you're going to export, and we want to include everything, so don't uncheck any of these boxes. However, for the lessons, I only want lessons 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to type in here 1-3, so that means 1 through 3. Includes everything, including lesson 2. Notice you could also put in the date, so if you wanted, if you worked on lesson 1, 2, and 3 on a specific date range, you can put the start date here and the end date here. And then we're going to, again, keep everything checked. So here I have my lessons all indicated. I'm going to click OK. So now when I look at my screen, you'll notice that the lesson 4 things are missing. So also just as a hint, if you come back to this later and you're thinking, oh my gosh, I did lesson 16 and it's not showing up, what you can do is just make sure that this advanced filter is turned off. Right now we have it turned on because we just want to see lessons 1 through 3. So don't panic. You can always check that. Alright, so I've got my lesson 1 through 3 selected. I'm going to again go to Export. I'm going to choose Word. As a reminder from the timed entrance video, you can actually choose any of those options that you wish. I just like Word because it is so universal. So I'm going to pick Word. And it downloaded my file here. I'm going to go ahead and open that. And it's zoomed out quite a bit here. If I zoom in, you can see that it has all of my assignments here, and if you scroll down you'll see that there are many done, everything needed for lessons 1, 2, and 3. So I am going to save this. So I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to put it in my keyboard skill building folder that I made. I'm going to call it my name, so again, sample student underscore assignment 1. I'm going to make it a Word document and click Save. So now I have this Word document saved in my keyboard skill building folder. I'll always have it there. Right now I need to use it to put it into Blackboard. So I'm going to switch to Blackboard. Go to my assignment. So click Assignments. This is for assignment 1 where it says lessons 1 through 3. And then I just need to find where I'm going to submit this assignment. It's fairly far down the page. It's way at the bottom even. Here it is, assignment 1. So after completing lessons 1 through 3 and exporting your results, I'm going to upload that file. Again, there's 3 steps. So the first one is when it's due and how much it's worth. Step 2 is where you actually attach the file. So I'm going to go to Attach File, browse my computer, and then if I look in my keyboard skill building folder, Here I am. Here's my name, assignment 1. Click open. And now here's the name of the file that's going to be submitted. That is correct. Again, it helps me, but it's not absolutely necessary. If you type your name in the comments area, of course I'll have your name from the name of the file. And then the last step here is step 4, where you're going to click submit. All right, so this is what the instructor sees. And now always just go to my grades, and if you see that green exclamation point, it means it's submitted. I do recommend that you click on the assignment 1 link, and then you can see the preview of what is going on. Alright, so that is how you will export your files and upload them to Blackboard for grading.